Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Chat here on your taskbar. It is actually pretty easy to do. First up, go ahead and type in Google Chat. Hit enter. Now here in the first link, just select Google Chat, sign in. All right. Make sure to sign in and just hit on next if you haven't done so. All right. As you can see here, we are now at mail.google.com. So what we're going to do in here is just hover our mouse right here at the top in the URL box. As you can see here, we have the option to install it. Install Google Chat. Go ahead and click on it, and that will be a pop-up. Again, just click on install. As you can see, we have just installed the Google Chat. All right. It is now on our computer right here. And when we check on it, add or remove programs right here in our system, Google Chat will be available. Now, to move that or to move Google Chat onto our taskbar right here, as you can see, while it's still opened, the easiest one is just to right click on it and click on Pin to Taskbar. All right. When we close this one, as you can see, Google Chat is now available. I'm just going to click on it to open it up. All right. Let's say, for example, that you have closed this one and you haven't pinned it yet. All right, like that. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to your search bar and type in Google Chat. Right here, as you can see in the right side, you'll be able to find Pin to Taskbar. Click on it, and as you can see, it is now pinned on our taskbar, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.